Okay, now see this question. A particle moving with uniform acceleration in a straight line covers 3 meter in 8th second and 5 meter in the 16th second of its motion. What is the displacement of the particle from beginning of 6th second to the end of 15th second? So first of all, let's understand. We need to find the displacement during a given second. Okay. So for example, displacement in n seconds is how much? So Sn will be ut plus at square by 2. So un plus an square by 2. And displacement in n minus 1 seconds will be what? That will be Sn minus 1 will be ut. So u into n minus 1 plus half at square. So n minus 1 whole square. Now, during nth second, okay, during nth second, what is the displacement? Let's understand that. So suppose you start from here, and you cover a distance in n minus 1 second. So this is Sn minus 1. And in n seconds you cover Sn. Okay. So this is the distance traveled during Sn. This is the distance traveled during S into n minus 1. S of n minus 1. So it took n minus 1 seconds and this took n seconds. So then this is your displacement during the nth second. Okay. So if we call it delta S at the nth second, so delta S of the nth second will be Sn minus Sn minus 1. So when you subtract these two, you will get u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. We will be using this formula now. So in the question what is given? During the 8th second it is covering 3 meters. So during 8th second 3 meter is equal to u plus a by 2. 2 into 8 minus 1. Okay, so 16 minus 1. So this is equal to u plus 15 by 2a. During 16th second, what do we have? So in the 16th second is covering 5 meter. So we have 5 equal to u plus a by 2. 16 into 2, 32 minus 1. So that will be u plus 31 by 2a. Now subtract these two equations. So I'll get 5 minus 3 is equals to u minus u plus a by 2 times 31 minus 15. So 2 is equal to 16 by 2 into 8, that is 8a. So we get a equal to 1 by 4 meter per second square. Okay. So we found acceleration. We can find u. U can be found again using the same equation, 3 equal to u plus 15a by 2. So 3 equal to u plus 15 by 2 into a is what? 1 by 4. So this is u plus 15 by 8. So u will be equal to 3 minus 15 by 8. So I get 9 by 8 meter per second. Now in the question they're asking what? What is the displacement of the particle from the beginning of 6th second to the end of 15th second? So first of all, what is the meaning of beginning of 16th second? So beginning of 16th second means end of 5 seconds. Okay. So I need to find displacement in 5 seconds, displacement in 15 seconds and subtract them. So in 5 seconds, what is my displacement? Okay. So S5 will be ut. So 9 plus 8 into t is 5 plus 80 square by 2. So a is what? A was 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 5 square by 2. So we get this to be equal to. So this will come out to be equal to 70 by 8 meter. Similarly, in 15 seconds, what is the displacement? So S15 is equals to 9 by 8 into 15. plus half into acceleration is 1 by 4 into t square is 15 square. So you will get this to be equal to 360 divided by 8. So the answer that we need is S15 minus S5. So 360 minus 70 divided by 8. So that is 290 by 8 meter. Okay. We could simplify this as 8 times 3 is 24. And then 8 into 6, 48.25 meter. This is the answer.